Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Frameo how to send pictures. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To send pictures to Frameo digital photo frame, what you need to do first is connect to a frame. On the Frameo photo frame, tap add friend and then a unique code will appear on the frame which is valid for 12 hours. Then once that's generated, all you gotta do is head over and open up your Frameo app on your phone, then simply tap on this plus icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once there, what you need to do is just simply enter the code right here or simply tap on this icon to scan the QR code generated on your frame. Then once accepted, the frame will appear in your list of connected frames, and all you gotta do is just simply select the photo and then tap on this arrow icon on the bottom right. Now once here, all you gotta do is select the recipient and then tap on send. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.